Welcome to the initiative on quantitative aptitude, develop, enhance, enrich. In this 14th video, we see how to find the average speed in two cases. When the distance is equal and in the other case, the time is the same. So in the first case, suppose one travel some distance d at x kilometer per hour and an equal distance d at y kilometer per hour, then what is the average speed? So the distance is same. The first speed is x kilometer per hour. The second speed is y kilometer per hour. We have to find the average speed. So the average speed is, we know speed is distance by time. So the average speed is total distance travel divided by total time taken. So here the distance is same. The distance is d kilometer. So the total distance is 2d kilometer. D plus d, 2d. Now the total time is the time taken for the first travel is distance is d, speed is x kilometer per hour. So the time is distance by speed. So d by x. The second travel time is d by y. So the total time is d by x plus d by y. So the average speed is 2d divided by d by x plus d by y. So if we cancel the d, which is common in the numerator and denominator, we get it is 2 by 1 by x plus 1 by y. So here the average speed is not the usual average, but it is the harmonic mean of x and y. 2 divided by 1 by x plus 1 by y, or which is 2xy divided by x plus y kilometer per hour. Suppose one travel some distance d at x kilometer per hour and equal distances d at y kilometer per hour and z kilometer per hour. So here three different travel. Then the average speed is the harmonic mean of x, y and z, that is 3 divided by 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z, that is 3xyz divided by xy plus yz plus zx. In this way we can extend the formula. Now the second case, if a vehicle travels some distance at x kilometer per hour and travel other distance at y kilometer per hour in equal time. So here the distances are different, speed are different, but time taken is same. Some distance at x kilometer per hour and another distance at y kilometer per hour in equal time t. Then what is the average speed? So here if you take The time is t, distance speed is, first speed is x kilometer per hour, second speed is y kilometer per hour. So what is the distance covered in the first travel? Distance is speed into time. Distance is speed into time. So the first distance covered is x into t, xt. The second distance covered is yt. So the total distance covered is xt plus yt. What is the total time taken? The total time is t plus t, that is 2t. So the average speed is xt plus yt by t plus t, that is 2t. So if we cancel t, which is common in the both numerator and denominator, we get x plus y by 2. So in this case, when the time is equal, then the average speed is x plus y by 2, which is the usual mean or usual average of x and y. This can also be extended if a vehicle travels some distance at x kilometer per hour and travel other different distances at y kilometer per hour and z kilometer per hour in equal time t, then the average speed is the usual average of x, y, z, that is x plus y plus z by 3. So using this formula, we do some problems. A man drives a car to a certain place at a speed of 48 km per hour and returns at a speed of 24 km per hour. Find the average speed of his whole journey. So the first speed is 48 km per hour and returns at speed of 24 km per hour. So here the distance travel in two different speed are same. So the distance, same distance. So the average speed is the harmonic mean of 48 and 24. That is 2 into 48 into 24 by 48 plus 24. So which is 2 into 48 into 24 by 48 is 2 into 24. So it is in the denominator 2 into 24 plus 24, that is 3 into 24. If we cancel 24 in the numerator and denominator and cancel 3 with 48, we get 2 into 16, that is 32 km per hour. A man walks 9 km at a speed of 4.5 km per hour, runs 16 km at 8 km per hour, and travels by bus 80 km. The speed of the bus is 40 km per hour. Find the average speed. So first walking speed is 9 km. Walking distance is 9 km at a speed of 4.5 km per hour. Runs 16 km at 8 km per hour. Bus travel 80 km at 40 km per hour speed. We have to find the average speed. So we note the time taken in walking and running and the bus travel are same. 9 km at 4.5 km per hour. So the time taken is 9 by 4.5, that is 2. Running time 16 km at 8 km per hour. So 16 by 8, which is also 2. Bus travel time is, distance is 80, speed is 40. So 80 by 40, which is also 2. So the walking time, running time, and bus travel time are the same. So the average speed is the usual average. So here we have three speeds, namely 4.5 kilometer, that which is 9 by 2. The second speed is 8 kilometer. The third speed is 40 kilometer. So we have to find the average of the usual average or usual mean of arithmetic mean of 9 by 2, 8 and 40. So 9 by 2 plus 8 plus 40 divided by 3, which is 105 by 6. On simplification, you see that it is 17.5 kilometer per hour. So the answer is choice 2. So thank you for watching. For more videos on quantitative aptitude, the link is given in the description section. Work hard to succeed. Wish you all success. Thank you.